Experiencing issues with your Rogers mobile service? Let's get you back online. First, determine if there's a widespread outage. Check Rogers' official status page or app for real-time updates and outage maps. If there's an outage, avoid rebooting your device repeatedly as it won't speed up the restoration. If no outage is reported, begin with basic troubleshooting. Restart your phone. This simple step often resolves temporary connectivity glitches. Next, ensure your device has sufficient battery and a strong signal. Move to an area with better coverage if needed. By 2025, Rogers' network averages 99.8% uptime, but local factors can still impact your service. If basic steps don't work, proceed to the next section. If a simple restart didn't fix your Rogers mobile service, the issue might be with your APN settings. First, verify your APN settings. For Rogers, the APN should be internet.com for prepaid plans or mobile.rogers.com for postpaid, with no username or password required. If the APN is correct, check your SIM card. Power off your phone and reinsert the SIM card, ensuring it's properly seated. Look for any visible damage. If the SIM appears damaged, contact Rogers for a replacement. Finally, try a network reset. This restores default network settings without erasing your data. On Android, it's under Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. On iOS, find it under Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi networks and forces your device to reconnect to Rogers towers.